Do you need to know how to reset your AirPods or AirPods Pro? If your headphones have suddenly stopped connecting or won't charge, a reset may help. Resetting AirPods to factory settings can solve a lot of common problems like charging, connectivity, or sound issues, and it's easy to do. First, place your AirPods in the case, close the lid, and wait 30 seconds. Next, open the charging case and forget the AirPods on any of your devices they have been previously connected to. To forget AirPods on an iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and tap the eye icon. Tap Forget this device, then tap Forget device 2 more times to confirm. On a Mac, open System Preferences and click on Bluetooth. Hover over the AirPods in the list of devices and click the X that appears to the right. Click Remove to confirm. After you've removed the AirPods from your device, you're ready to re-pair them. Open the lid on the charging case and press and hold the pairing button on the back until the light flashes white. To reconnect them to an Apple device, follow the standard pairing process. Bring the AirPods close to the device you want to connect them to. When the connection prompt appears on the device, follow the on-screen steps to complete the connection setup. Now your AirPods should be reset and ready to use. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.